happy because we are going to
Singapore!
So, excited kami kasi first time namin pupunta ng Singapore as a family. Alam naman siguro ng ibang tao na si Eric, yung twin son namin, ay na-diagnose sa ASD. So, currently, meron siyang mga diet na sinusunod strictly. Tapos, siguro i-explain din namin yung journey niya, kung nahirapan ba sa airplane, nahirapan ba sa mga rides or attractions. Ayun lang. Where's the airplane? Airplane. Yay! Excited to go to Singapore? What are you most excited for?
Ethiopia!
Saan ka pinaka-excited?
Everything.
Everything? What's your top one?
Jurassic World. Ano,
Wow.
Legoland, Legoland.
Morning! This is welcome to
Singapore!
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 Getting our luggages. Singapore! Yay! We're just waiting for Daddy kasi kumuha siya ng Wi-Fi. So, yes, after the Wi-Fi, sasakay na kami ng transfers via Klook. We also ordered the Wi-Fi via Klook. So, yes, use my code cha magsaysay Klook to get discount. Okay? Nakakuha na si Daddy ng Wi-Fi from Klook. So, this is our Klook. I'm going to our hotel. So, yes, on our way kami ngayon sa Shangri-La Apartments. Dun yung hotel namin. And siguro dun sa mga first time na pupunta ng Singapore, it's really important na dapat maayos mo na yung arrival card mo and health declaration. We can do it 2 days before your actual flight. And then, ginawa siya ng husband ko yesterday. Pero yung pinaka talaga doon, kanina, nagbigay na kami ng passport. Na-stop kami dahil nagkamali ng input ng isang digit. Yung expiry date pa. Si Mike dun sa isang anak namin, si Kea. So, kailangan siyang i-re-entry. Medyo na-stress kami. Kasi parang mag-isa na lang, kami na lang natira ata doon sa immigration. But yes, we're here. Here na at our hotel! Yay! Sobrang ganda ng apartment hotel dito sa Shangri-La. So yes, actually, ang pinaka-problem kasi namin when we travel is that si Eric kasi may strict diet na sinusunod. And since medyo mahaba yung biyahe namin, like 7 days, kailangan talaga magluto for Eric. So yun talagang gusto namin na sana merong lutuan. So ito yung nahanap ng in-laws namin na apartment hotel. We're here at the Shangri-La apartment. And yun nga, meron siyang 2 bedrooms. And then, meron din siyang dining, living, and yung pinakamaganda dito, meron siyang kitchen na halos lahat kompleto. Meron din silang binigay sa amin na ang food. This is the food na pwede namin i-consume na part of the fee na. So, wala kami babayaran. Libre itong lahat. So, meron siyang cereals, may orange juice, may milk, may apple juice, merong instant noodles, may bread, at meron din siyang spread, merong itlog. And, so, ayan. Super amazing kasi super complete lahat. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. So, medyo expensive talaga itong mga ganitong klaseng apartments, lalo na Shangri-La kasi siya. So, thank you talaga kay Ama Patron kasi kung hindi lang sa kanila, hindi naman kami makakapag-book sa ganitong area. So, yes, magpe-prepare lang kami, tapos magdadala kami ng mga essentials, tapos hahabulin namin yung time doon sa snow show, and then dinner, plus grocery. Yun lang. Oh! Nando's. It's inside Tanglin Mall. Beside doon sa may Christmas tree nila. And then, ang sinaserve nila dito, mga peri-peri barbecue. We saw the menu. Medyo affordable yung mga dishes nila. So yes, let's try if okay. Wedges, ito.
Wedges, one.
Alright, can I get a spicy?
Bottomless ang kanilang soft drinks. So, ito yung in-order namin. Good for 4 na siya. 4 pieces of barbecue chicken. 5 na sides. And 4 na egg tart. Ang tawag nila natas. Maganda dito, bottomless yung kanilang drink. Ang price for this is 76.90 Singapore dollars. So, that's around mga 2,000 pesos. So, i-compare mo sa iba, okay na siya. Kasi ang mahal ng iba. What's that?
6, 7.
6, 7. So, Eric has a special diet. So, pinipare na to ni Ate Sarah. Nasa bahay pa lang kami. And we are using the Melly Insulated Stainless Steel na lunch box. So, perfect siya kasi until now, mainit pa rin daw yung food. Okay. And this is Eric's food. Eat, Eric! Show your eating. Yay! So far, masarap yung food na in-order namin. What are you eating?
That's fine.
You like the food? Oh, I'll show. It. Yum, yum. Oh. You like it? Ate Sarah, you like your food? Our last stop before we go home here at our supermarket sa baba ng Tanglin Mall. We're buying mga organic meat for Eric kasi lulutuan namin siya. Okay. Bumili rin kami ng ibang mga like sausages for us. Tapos olive oil. And then we're okay now. We're going home. Let's buy for Eric. Ito po sa box. Olive oil. We went back to our hotel and we decided that we will just walk because hindi ko alam bakit ba gusto namin maglakad. Kasi para una-una para makatipid. Pangalawa, para mag-sightseeing. Hindi ko alam. Ano natin ito ginawa? Using Google Maps so we can walk going to our hotel. Yeah, Eric is asleep na kasi konti lang yung nap time niya. So, sana, ewan ko ba, maliligo pa ba yan? Walk, 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 the pedestrian. Shangri-La Apartment! The best. Go na. Hi. Going back. Antok na si ate. Ay, antok na rin si Eric. Ayan, okay. Yay! Yeah.
In this way,